When businesses seek accounting software to manage their finances, two names frequently come up: Sage Intacct and QuickBooks. While both aim to streamline financial processes, they cater to distinct segments of the market and offer varying levels of complexity and functionality. For project managers and those involved in the financial oversight of projects, understanding the nuances between these two platforms is crucial for making informed decisions. So, is Sage Intacct similar to QuickBooks? The short answer is, while they both handle accounting, their similarities largely end at the fundamental level. Diving deeper reveals significant differences in their target audience, features, scalability, and overall capabilities. Think of it this way: both a bicycle and a car are modes of transportation, but they serve different needs and operate on different scales. Similarly, QuickBooks often serves smaller businesses with relatively straightforward accounting needs, while Sage Intacct is designed for growing and mid-sized organizations with more complex financial structures and the need for robust reporting and analysis. QuickBooks, particularly its online versions, has gained immense popularity among startups and small businesses due to its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing. It typically offers features like basic bookkeeping, invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic financial reporting. For project managers in smaller firms, QuickBooks can be sufficient for tracking project-related expenses, generating simple invoices for clients, and monitoring overall project profitability at a basic level. Its ease of use allows individuals with limited accounting knowledge to manage their finances effectively. However, as businesses grow and projects become more intricate, the limitations of QuickBooks become apparent. Its reporting capabilities are generally less sophisticated, making it challenging to generate detailed project-specific financial reports or perform in-depth analysis of project costs and revenues across multiple projects. Managing multiple entities or complex revenue recognition scenarios, often encountered in larger project-based organizations, can also become cumbersome within QuickBooks. This is where Sage Intacct steps in. It is a cloud-based financial management platform built for businesses with more complex needs. Unlike QuickBooks, Sage Intacct is designed with scalability and advanced functionality in mind. It offers a modular structure, allowing businesses to choose the specific modules they need, such as core accounting, accounts payable/receivable, project accounting, revenue recognition, inventory management, and more. For project managers, Sage Intacct's dedicated project accounting module provides a significant advantage. This module allows for detailed tracking of project costs, including labor, materials, and overhead. It enables the creation of project budgets, the monitoring of actual costs against these budgets in real time, and the generation of comprehensive project profitability reports. This level of detail is crucial for effective project financial management, allowing project managers to identify potential cost overruns early and make informed decisions to keep projects on track and within budget. Furthermore, Sage Intacct excels in its reporting and analytics capabilities. It allows for the creation of customized financial reports, segmented by various dimensions such as project, department, or customer. This enables project managers and financial teams to gain deep insights into project performance, analyze profitability trends across different project types, and make data-driven decisions to improve future project planning and execution. The ability to consolidate financial data across multiple entities is another key strength of Sage Intacct, making it suitable for organizations managing several projects or business units. Another significant difference lies in their approach to revenue recognition. For project-based businesses, especially those with long-term contracts or complex billing arrangements, accurate revenue recognition is paramount. Sage Intacct offers robust revenue recognition features that can handle various scenarios, ensuring compliance with accounting standards. While QuickBooks offers some basic invoicing features, it lacks the sophisticated revenue recognition capabilities of Sage Intacct. In terms of integration with other business systems, both platforms offer integrations, but Sage Intacct typically provides more robust and seamless integrations with other enterprise-level applications, such as CRM systems like Salesforce, project management software, and business intelligence tools. This allows for a more integrated flow of data across different business functions, providing a holistic view of project performance and overall business health. The user interface is another area where differences are noticeable. QuickBooks is generally praised for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to individuals with limited accounting expertise. Sage Intacct, while powerful, has a more comprehensive interface that may require some training for users to fully leverage its capabilities. However, this complexity is often a trade-off for the advanced functionality it offers.